Hello and welcome back to the Man's Garage. Today we have something that RUKO sent me. Yes, those 7 deadly words. They sent me this product for review. It is their R1 mini robot dog from RUKO. It does flips and tricks and stories and all kinds of stuff. We're going to get into that. This is not going to be like a normal review. I'm just going to show you what it does and you decide what you think about it. And I'll put links in the description below as to costs, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so this is the R1 Mini AI Interactive Robot Dog from RUKO. What you get in the box? Pretty simple, very well packaged. All RUKO products are very well quality made and very well packaged. We have the dog, controller, we have a laser pointer, and we have a screwdriver and a USB charger and some instructions. Here we go. Oh, no, turn that off. Okay. We've got a laser pointer that goes on your thumb here and around, and the little pointer here goes on your finger, and you can control the dog up and down. There we go. You've got that. You've got the controller that has all kinds of buttons and features and functions. We're going to go through all those. It takes 2 AAA batteries on the back that are not supplied. And then we have the puppy. Okay. And it's got a switch on the back. You turn it on. There it is. And it's got a gyroscope inside it. So if I flip it over, it kind of rights itself no matter what. So it can go downstairs and all kinds of things like that. So we're going to get into everything. I'm going to show you what it does. And then you decide at the end. Let's go. So this is the RUKO R1 Interactive AI Dog, eh? Okay, let's turn it on, see what happens here. Does that thing. It has some kind of a gyroscope inside, so no matter which way you turn it, like a cat, the legs always go down. If I roll it over, see? There you go. There we go. Okay, the white is forward and the red is backwards. We have a special secret thing here. What happens there? Here we go. And we have a remote control. 2 AAA batteries go in the back. Push it once, it automatically connects. We're going to go through all these here really quick. We have dance. As you can see, we're going to hit dance. And it goes back to the beginning, but it's upside down. Let's go this way. Here we go. Put it back to where it was. Okay, next we have roll right. Let's try that again. Roll right. Okay, let's try roll left. The other side. That's what's supposed to happen. And roll right. There we go. Must be the slippy context here. We've done the dance. We're going to do a stunt. Okay, what's next? We've done that. We'll start at the top here. With top here, shake. And then we will do it this way. We will do, it says here, potty. Then we have hello. If you didn't see that properly, we'll do it this way. Hello. Then we're going to try push-up. That's my favorite. Then we're going to go over to Kung Fu. Kind of different. Okay, what's next on here? We have Kung Fu, volume, and story. Let's do story.
The little engine that could. A little train was carrying toys and good food to the
Volume.
children on the other side of the mountain. But her engine broke down. First, a shiny new
Again.
engine came by. Will you pull us over the mountain? The toys asked.
Quieter.
I pull passenger cars with sleeping berths. I am too important for you, said the shiny new engine.
Louder.
Next
Story.
came a big, the lion and the mouse.
2,
A lion was asleep. The three little pigs.
3,
Once upon a time, the gingerbread man,
4.
stunt hero. Run, the little engine that could. A little
There you
train
go.
was carrying the lion and the mouse. The three little pigs.
There's 4 of them. To
Once upon a
stop, you
time,
press the
three
middle one.
little pigs.
And swim.
Run.
Press again.
2.
Press again.
3.
4.
4. 5. 6. 7.
Volume. There we go. Stops. And we've got flips to the right and to the left. And flip to this way. And this way. We have the handheld watch with the infrared sensor there. We'll turn it on. Press and turn this on. And it's kind of weird, but we'll point it down, point my hand down. Just backwards, forwards. Turns that way. Turns that way. Backwards. Forwards. And we can turn this on, just a click of the button. Doesn't work. What you have to do is you have to turn it off, turn it on again. It can only be controlled by one at a time. There we go. And so there you have it. From RUKO, the mini robot dog, their R1 model. It does flips and tricks, talks, tells stories, even giggles to itself. Great little toy for a young little boy or girl. And my pets even liked it too, running around after it. It does all kinds of things. Not the normal review that I usually do, but you get the idea of what it can do, what it can't do, and use your imagination. You can have a lot of fun with it. So there you go. Again, read the description below. All the links are there. Have some fun, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now. Hi, me again. One more little thing. Some of you might have noticed there's a big P in the middle of this controller. That's for programming. Let's see how that works. We're going to program a sequence of events. Push the P. Handshake, potty, hello, push up, and story. Go.
A little train was carrying toys and good food to the children on the other side of the mountain. But her engine broke down. First...
And I stopped it. There you go. So you can program it to do all kinds of things. And a sequence. So you press program, do your sequence, press program again, and it plays them through. Just thought I'd add that in there. I thought it was a neat little trick. Okay? Bye now.